लगे नहीं लगेगा लगे ना लगे यमी में ऐसा अब हो बबली छला दो पाल ये करोनी नसीर तेरे Lisa Shree Bible, the letter of the day. Moba Papota Ludo Pedo Lamogo Dagludu every through Pam through Taludo Pe oh a long name. Si sako open si kolom. Masa asa do hu asa po kisi da a kisi da the done big tricky. Okay, Pokemon. D for dinosaur. D for dog. D for diver. D for dolphin. D for doll. D for drum. The story of Moses. In the land of Egypt, every Hebrew was a slave. Moses was a Hebrew, and his mom was bold and brave. She made him cattle all out of reeds and placed him in the Nile. Pharaoh's daughter found him. And the baby made her smile. And when Moses was a man, God said, set my people free. So Moses led the Hebrews out unharmed across the sea. Thank you for watching. Make sure you watch all of my stories and keep remember the Bibles. And the Bible is really, really important. And also my reading and this Bible, the other one, Here on and the letter of the day. Thank you, La Kwa Yamada. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.